Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Aisha from the Winx Club on Dress to Impress. Removing everything except for the hair because I did some minor adjustments I think. Select this hair and color it 6B4129. I think I just used this color here. No adjustments made, no toggles. Then I used this hair in the toggle back in the same color. I did add black on the second toggle, position at the Z2.56. Then select this hair in just all brown and no adjustments made. For the outfit, I'm just going to select this top here. You also don't need VIP for this, except for the wings, which you can replace the wings with non-VIP wings, of course. Color it 9EC95E in glitter. Get this skirt in this color in glitter, and then this color 3D8356 in glitter. Then for the shoes, I'm gonna get this one in this green, just in a brighter green though, and in white. And then for the necklace, just use this one in this blue here. And then this bracelet as well, where is it? This one in the same blue. Then for the wings, I'm just going to grab these, but again, you can use the non-VIP wings. I'm going to color them this blue color. Sorry, I think this lighter blue color here, and then I'll just do the darker blue and then the lighter blue again, and then the darker blue. And there you have it. That is Aisha for you. You can't really make it exactly the same because of the items, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.